A Johnston County judge will decide whether Hassan Bacote will stay on death row or be resentenced to life in prison.
The decision will affect future death penalty cases in our state. CBS 17's Dina Harley was in the courtroom for closing arguments.
Closing arguments in Johnston County on Wednesday morning as Hassan Bacote's legal team is trying to show a history of racism in the county and arguing that led to an unfair jury in his trial and an unfair sentence. Bacote was sentenced to death in 2007 after being convicted of murder. His jury had 10 white members and 2 black members. His case is the first being heard under the now-repealed Racial Justice Act, and so his team is trying to prove that racism and bias specifically in Johnston County influenced his sentence. If a judge does rule in his favor, over 100 other death row inmates across the state could use that ruling to argue their own sentences. In closing arguments Wednesday morning, Bacote's team said the court needs to uphold the Racial Justice Act and recognize a history of racism in Johnston County.
A statute about only what happens in a defendant's individual case, or that even requires a defendant to show in their individual case. This statute focuses on a geographic unit much larger. It's either in the county, in the prosecutorial district, in the judicial division, or the state.
During initial hearings months ago, the state said Bacote's sentence was fair and that he should stay on death row. It's not clear right now when the judge could make a ruling in the case. In Johnston County, Dina Harley, CBS 17 News.